supposed to hit the quarter and jump up?
Yeah.
Fuck you, dude.
Okay. Dude, that's perfect! Oh! You're a dickhead. That would have worked perfect.
Wow. I've recorded that.
Wait, how come?
It's actually your quarter.
Yeah.
Now, if you can get them both
Evelyn.
without.
Alright, you gotta put like a spin.
Hold on.
You gotta hit it on one.
Hold on.
Wow. Yeah, it's been a while. I almost made it.
Oh crap! Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Oh, get off. Okay, I got it now. Wow. You were doing bad today. Oh, I know what you're doing wrong. You're hitting it too far. Yeah, right there, exactly. Nah, here, can I try it?
You can go real.
Yeah, you do. This is like really short, ain't it?
Yeah.
Alright, I call this.